So after 3 years, I can finally get my hair in a ponytail. Long ass journey. Back with another video. I didn't even think I'd be back, but I'm back. Making this because it's a real special video to me. Real special. 3 years of having locks. 3 years of having locks. So I just wanted to give a quick update on my 3-year loc dread journey. It's been a real long journey. If you got dreads and you had it for 3 years, or if you want dreads and you want it from 3 years, this is the update. No retwist. So my appearance right now. I know I got this hoodie on, so I'm gonna take this off real soon. So after 3 years, I determined I could officially make a video on some shit about locks. And some shit I hate about my locks, some shit you might hate about your locks, some shit you might not even care about your locks. But some shit I hate real quick, this shit right here. This little extra, all this little extra peach fuzz shit. It's been a long journey, but when you don't gotta retwist, don't gotta cut like me right now, shit is a struggle out here. Shit is a real struggle. You're gonna be looking all type of crazy at all types of day. Really, I've been slacking. No do-rag, no nothing. Not even a cut, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna cut it up, so stay tuned to the end of the video if you wanna see that. Me cut my own goddamn hair, because I'm on the struggle right now. But besides this little peach fuzz and all the new growth, you know what I'm saying? A lot of new growth. Something else I hate is my tips. Look at. I'm gonna fix, I'll probably make a video about it, so go watch that video, is my tips. I'm gonna blunt these up real quick, real soon, because that's one thing that I do kind of hate. But I'm gonna get a retwist, wash it. Might even dye it, because look at this. This is not the wave right now. That's not the wave. So I'm gonna dye it. Definitely gonna make a video on it. So definitely I'm gonna see how to dye it, or how I'm gonna dye my shit. My shit gonna be looking wavy. Shit, fuck it. Let's get straight into this motherfucking haircut. But yeah, here's 3 years of this gloriness and journeyness. I could do this now. Get into the shit. Shout out Breeze. Shout out Breeze. DJ rescuing this motherfucker. Scrawny ass nigga. Can't love me. Don't tell me you love me. Just show me you love me. I hear that they calling. Now that we ballin', don't give me a chance to be your man. Just give me a vibe so you can understand. Now that we ballin', now that we ballin'. I was on the block trying to meet the pack flip. Last $5, gotta make it do gymnastics. Blow on the line, so I ship it in the plastic. Last $5, gotta make it do gymnastics. Now that we ballin', I shoot it like Spalding. I hear that they callin'. Now that we ballin', I was dead broke like a week ago. Now I'm getting paid for a feature hole. I ain't want your hoe, yeah, she needed me. Caring and sharing, and best believe she won't be greedy, B. Now I'm on this breezy beat, shit just comes so easily. Tell the hoe stop stressing me, she just want the best of me. Just give me a chance, be a man. Just give me a chance, be a man. All like the Hawks, G Christian Dior. Just give me a vibe so you can understand. Just give me a vibe, I can read your mind. Just give me a time, you can spend on mine. Together we shine, yeah, she fine, she fine, together she fine. Just giving smoke for free, try to copy me, cops ain't blocking me. Why you watching? tried to bother me. I just want apologies. Cause now that we ballin', I shoot it like Spalding. Now that we ballin', don't tell me you love me. Just show me you love me. I hear that they callin'. Now that we ballin', give me a chance to be your man. Just give me a vibe so you can understand. Now that we ballin', now that we ballin'. If of a skinny nigga, I'm coming from the 9. Life of a skinny nigga, I tell you about mine. Life of a skinny nigga, I tell you how it go. Life as a whole nigga, mama raised no hoe. So after 3 years, I can finally get my hair in a ponytail. Long ass journey.
Going down in my balls, I'm having withdrawals. This crazy baby, all of my scars shaped in hearts.
Stop acting like you don't know what it is. Really good.
Did you want the 2 for 6 sandwiches?
Yeah. So crispy fish, that's all?
Did you want that?
No. That's it?
Drink? What's on drink?
If I like. I would say milkshake, but they all look generic. Chocolate, vanilla. Yeah, but it's all. Alright, I'm ready to order. Wait, that's all.
What can I get for you?
2 for 6.
Can I have the 2 for 6 fish sandwiches?
2 of the crispy or fish and cheddars?
Yeah. Do you want
The first one you said?
crispy fish?
Okay.
Yeah, the crispy.
Did you want a milkshake?
Nah, what you
May
want?
I get you anything else?
Oh, curly fries. You want some fries?
2 things of curly fries.
And 2 small curly fries?
With 2 small curly fries?
Man, we don't need a drink. I'll have a water. And a vanilla milkshake.
What size vanilla shake would you like?
Small.
I have a cup of water and a small vanilla shake. Alright, may I get you anything else?
Yeah, just some more discounts off the total, and that'll be it. I see you
The
got.
total's going to be $13.10. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. That shit nasty. I want my money back.
No, it ain't nasty. I know, fuck that shit up.
The cheddar. Alright, this crispy fish though. Let's see what we're working with. It's hot. Okay, we got the seeded bun. Okay, haven't had the seeded bun in a while. We got the lettuce.
You drink your milkshake.
Tartar.
Your milkshake.
Now this gonna be a Arby's versus Wendy's fish sandwich. I'm gonna go with Arby's.
I still right here for the longest looking at y'all. You talking about that damn milkshake?
You just scared me.
Yeah, right. You gonna die.
The Wendy's. Damn it,
The only
pickles.
difference is they don't got pickles at
Arby's.
Ferraris, extra cars. If you start bringing up love, I'm bringing my God. I never knew I'd make it this far. It feels bizarre, but you know my energy large like a garage. And you know I work too hard, I came too far. I'm happy I'm still alive, cause half of my niggas they either died on the system. And if I ain't start rapping, I swear to God I'll go with them. I've been getting out my watches, I'm a timeless ass nigga. I was creeping on the low, yeah, I'm a doggy ass nigga. But I'm an honest nigga, I can only lie when it comes to
But they don't want the smoke. She like the rap when we flex, so I'm grabbing that bitch like
Skinny nigga, I let them days go. Scrawny nigga, I still